Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 Plus, and today I'll show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will need to pull down your control center, which is done by just swiping down on the right top side of your screen, and you will find this focus button. Now when you hold it, it will extend and give you several options, which one of them is Do Not Disturb. Now you can tap on the three dots right here and then navigate into the settings, which will allow you to set it up. From here, basically go through the settings right here, customize them to fit your needs, and once you have done so, you can close this. You don't have to come back here ever again, assuming you don't want to change any of the settings. And whenever you want to utilize your Do Not Disturb mode, you will either tap on this moon icon, which is the Do Not Disturb mode. If it's not visible, sometimes the moon icon is not visible, which let me just quickly try to show this off. So maybe this will change it. Nope, probably not this. Oh, come on. Sleep. Does everything need to open up something else? Apparently it does. Okay, so anyway, let's just assume that sometimes it will change, that is a possibility that you might have one of the other ones selected by default. So you just hold it and from there select it. Now if you see this moon icon, you can simply tap on it to toggle it on whenever you need it. And also in the settings, you probably already did see there is a automatic setup right here, so you can set it up so it turns on and off automatically based on the provided schedule. This will remove the need for you to toggle it on and off, and it will do it for you. All you need to do is make sure that it is toggled on the schedule itself. So as you can see, for me it's off, so you just click on the schedule, toggle it on from here, and that's it. But for everybody else who's using it manually by just randomly toggling it on whenever you actually need it, then you do also will need to remember to turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. Otherwise it will be running indefinitely in the background. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.